الله أكبر الله أكبر سبحان ربي العظيم.
The reports are received. Inform the governor that my decision is final and must be implemented immediately.
The Hungarian border remains volatile, Your Majesty.
And the fortresses along the Danube, are they complete?
Our eastern borders are secure with the new fortresses, Your Highness.
We have secured the river crossing here, minimizing travel time for the siege cannons.
Excellent. Proceed as planned, but keep a regiment patrolling the eastern flank.
Observe the sun's altitude, Sultan. The shadow indicates the exact time for the afternoon prayer.
From the eastern deserts to the western seas, your banners fly, O Sultan of the age, defender of the faith.
Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. سبحان ربي العظيم سمع الله لمن حمده.
The Venetian fleet approaches the coast, Sultan. We must consider an alliance with the French.
Their terms are unfavorable. We risk too much in the west.
By the grace of Allah, we hereby declare the southern territories under our protection. Let the seals be affixed.
The transcription captures a conversation at a royal banquet.
And so, on the 17th day of Rajab, the Sultan Murad led his legions to the gates of Vienna.
Bless this city and protect my people from harm.
My Sultan, the night awaits.
Glory belongs to Allah alone.
The eastern trade routes shall promise, but the banditry is affecting the taxiers.
Send word to the Pasha. The roads must be secure.
You are the Empire's tomorrow.
The Sultan's conquest secured the borders.
A sultan rules not by the sword, but by the balance of the heart.
O Creator of empires, accept what was done in your name.